Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Chevrolet Volt LT. My first time ever in a Volt. This is of course the second gen, which sadly I believe is the last gen of the Volt, because this is actually a lot of fun. I have a good feeling they're going to bring back the Volt though. Especially with the now shifting towards electric, although this one of course is a hybrid. There's a door to open that. But this one is really, I don't know how to call it. It's full electric when you're driving, but it does have a gas motor as a range extender. So it's really exactly what I would want. It's a 1.5 range extender. .5 liter, I believe 4-cylinder. That is one of the weirdest exhaust setups I think I've ever seen. Unless it's a turbo, but I don't think it is. Oh, you bugger. Good amount of rear seat space. Although look, I mean, on a technicality it's a 5-seater, but I don't think I would want to sit there. I don't know, it seats 5 though. Alright, now we're inside. I'm trying to see if the window sticker's there, which it's not. Sweet. Forgot the plate does that. If you want to do one pedal driving, one lower for low mode. Yeah, let's do low mode. Oh, how did I not feel that before? This does, just like the Bolt, have a regen paddle. So you know what? I'm going to put it back into drive and use the paddle. Because I'm not touching the brakes there. That's all regen. Wow, that's really impressive. Oh, I love electric. Oh, why did I say that? People are gonna hate on me for it. They're fun. Honestly, they're fun. Obviously, I love gas-powered cars, but nothing beats. You know, I'd rather have this as an electric than like the 1.4 turbo found in the tracks. I'd rather have something electric because it just makes it feel a lot more fun in consumer cars. You know, if this just had the naturally aspirated 1.5, this would be a bit of a dog. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest. That's my job. I have to be honest for you guys. But as an electric car, that's what makes this thing so much fun. But I'm going to go ahead, normal, sport, mountain, and hold. I'm gonna put it in hold. That's gonna hold the electric range right where it's at, which is gonna turn on the gas motor. Although, I'm sitting here, I don't know if the gas motor's connected to the wheels at all. Actually, it might be. Because when I was down in Florida, I drove a Prius for a few days. I know. Should have made a video of that, honestly. But that, you could constantly know when the gas motor was kicking in. This, I don't feel the difference, which is awesome. Although some people might not like that. I do know in sport mode, though, the gas motor does not kick in, which, if it was providing a good amount of power, it would. Keep forgetting about that regen paddle. Yeah, it might actually provide power to the wheels, because that felt a little bit faster than the other poles in full electric. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.